rural America is quietly becoming the unexpected battleground for the world's most advanced AI infrastructure. And this shift could completely reshape the economic landscape of small-town America forever. Welcome to today's Fruit Grower Report from the Ag Information Network, where we're diving into a transformation that most people aren't even aware is happening right under their noses. The countryside across America is experiencing an unprecedented boom in data center construction, and according to Jeff Johnston, who serves as the lead economist for infrastructure at CoBank, we're witnessing what might be the most significant technological revolution to hit rural communities since the introduction of electricity. What we're seeing right now is absolutely remarkable, Johnston explains. This represents a fascinating era for our entire nation. But what makes it particularly thrilling is how rural America has suddenly found itself at the very heart of the artificial intelligence revolution. But here's where it gets really interesting, and where some controversy might arise. Johnston argues that rural areas aren't just benefiting from this AI boom by accident. They're actually better positioned than major metropolitan areas to support these massive technological demands. When you examine how these cutting-edge AI data centers are designed and constructed, and when you consider the absolutely staggering energy requirements they consume, we're talking about power needs that would make some small cities jealous. Rural America emerges as the clear winner, Johnston notes. Multiple factors align perfectly, and this is the part most people miss: the astronomical financial stakes involved in this rural transformation. Johnston doesn't mince words about the global implications. The AI race isn't just about technology. It carries massive geopolitical consequences, particularly in our ongoing competition with China. Beyond that, the economic ramifications in terms of productivity gains and overall growth potential are absolutely enormous. We're not dealing with small numbers here. The investment figures are truly staggering. Tech giants, including Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, and Google, are pouring resources into these rural data center projects at levels that Johnston describes as nothing short of mind-blowing. But here's what raises eyebrows. While these companies profit enormously from rural locations, are small communities getting their fair share of the economic benefits? Once again, we're witnessing rural America step into the spotlight of this AI revolution, Johnston emphasizes, though one has to wonder whether this spotlight will translate into lasting prosperity for these communities or simply make them service providers for big tech. This raises some thought-provoking questions. Is this AI infrastructure boom truly empowering rural America? Or are these communities becoming the new factories for our digital economy? Will local residents benefit from high-paying tech jobs, or will automation and remote management limit opportunities? And perhaps most controversially, should rural communities have more say in how their land and resources are used by these tech giants? Tomorrow, we'll explore the exciting developments aimed at bridging the broadband divide in rural America. Because having the infrastructure is only half the battle. What's your take on this rural AI revolution? Do you see it as an opportunity for small-town economic revival? Or are you concerned about big tech's growing influence in rural areas? Share your thoughts and let us know if you agree or disagree with this assessment.